bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
To call the UAE, start by dialing the international access code, 00 for most countries, 011 from the US and Canada, followed by the UAE country code, 971. Then, dial the area code, 1 to 2 digits, and the local phone number, 7 digits. For example, a call to Dubai would look like 00971 4 X X X X X X X from Europe, or 011 971 4 X X X X X X X from North America. Ensure you have an international calling plan to avoid high charges.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.